Hey everybody, good to see you back again. So, well, kind of an unusual episode today, I know, but just finishing up with the second of the two new main bearings I made for the third of the tri-build starting engine rebuild series, so don't pay a whole bunch of attention here. But to nutshell it so you kind of know what's been going on, I figure I have one good day left on my crankshaft end thrust rework for, like I said, the third engine of the tri-build series, and we can finally have these short blocks knocked out of the way and then move on to throwing enough pieces on that old devil block to make it take that starting engine's place right there on 1113. But that's not the primary goal of tonight's episode. Brain's a little bit mushy. You'll have to bear with me here. I've been standing in front of the milling machine and a lathe long enough today that my eyes are kind of getting, so we need to wrap it up before I completely fall apart. Anyway, I have a channel shout out I want to do tonight, and I don't usually do channel shout outs, but my buddy Kyle Christ just started a channel. It's about 3 months old. In fact, he's the guy that had that really nice Alice K crawler at my plow day earlier this summer. So, like I said, he's got a relatively new channel. Last I checked, he was at, let's see here, I think he just broke 100 subs, 117 he's got. So, I want to get some more eyeballs on that channel because he's just recently started a very cool, very early Caterpillar RD4. We're talking more first generation than 1113 right here. 1113 is 1938. I believe Kyle's RD4 is 1934. So I believe it was first model year out even for the D4, and a lot of the designs on 1113 were pioneered on that early RD4 of his. And it's a lot like 1113 in the way that what's there actually looks pretty good for like lack of wear, but that thing has just spent so much time sitting. The best that he knows, it sat for 50 years. It was parked sometime in the 1970s and had not moved since he went and got it. And I'll tell you what, it's just like something that I would have drug home, to tell you the truth. But it was even worse than 1113. The diesel engine doesn't turn. The starting engine doesn't turn. None of the starting levers or controls turn. I don't think the throttle lever moved. The steering clutches don't move. The brake pedals don't move. And the tracks don't even spin. I mean, he had to work to get that thing on the trailer and then get it off the trailer and then get it drug into his shop. But he's trying to get the engine off it right now, and it's just really fighting him because so many things are stuck and nothing wants to rotate. And it's I think it's going to be a really, really interesting series, and he's planning on taking the thing completely down and doing a complete from ground up build. And we're talking new paint and just mechanically top notch. And I don't think you all will be a bit disappointed if you clicked over there and checked it out, because I know I have quite a Caterpillar following, a good base on the channel here. So I mean, even if I'd like to see him get at least 1,000 subs after this, even if like 1 out of every 10 people that are likely to watch this just goes over and subscribes and rings the bell so they get a notification every time he throws something up, which he's been it's been like a couple videos a week he's been popping up on that thing lately. I think that would do it. So yeah, Kyle Chris, the guy's name. I'll even put a link. It'll either pop up here or over there. I'll put one down there, however it's going to work. Haven't decided yet, but like I said, go check them out. People ask me a lot of times, what do I watch on YouTube? That is one of the channels that I personally watch, and I have not been disappointed with it yet. I don't think you will either. So for even more good first generation Caterpillar awesomeness that's in horrible shape but is probably going to be like new again someday, go check out Kyle's channel. I've had about enough in the shop tonight. We're going to hit it extra hard again in the morning, and I think my goal is to try and get enough done on that third tri-build block to start putting the video together tomorrow so I can get that thing cranking on the feeds again within a couple days from now. So y'all are up to speed. Don't let me down, all right? Thanks, everybody.